Hello traders, you are highly welcome in my channel, and this is Ato Forex. For those one who are new and those one who don't know me, my name is Ato the trader. In this channel, this is where we learn Forex, how we can easily make money online, and I believe that through this channel all will be well for you and you learn a lot through this channel. Here it is actually where we trade and make cash. It has been a while, long time no see, but now I am back with a new Forex analysis update for last week. For those ones who have subscribed to my channel, I'm happy and I'm grateful for supporting this channel. By the way, it is late right now. It is 3 a.m. and I've decided to actually meet you at this moment and share with you my analysis on GBP USD of last week, how I scalped and how I handle that trade. Same way I manage my trade. If you also copy the skill and you use it to also manage your trade, it will be so helpful to you because it reduces the risk and it can also grow your account, and it's also most of the things that professional traders they actually do. You can let the take profit be open so that when the price goes bullish, it always goes above your take profit and goes more and more pips above. That is actually what I do in order to maximize my profit. In scalping, that is actually where I find my peace of mind. Yes, I take quick trade and I go to work, or I take my entry and I break even and let the take profit be open, and then I go to work and do my border riding, and then I come back in the evening and I find when the price has shot up, gone several pips. In case you also have a lot of time at home, you can also day trade, but day trading is much more stressful than scalping. But also scalping is also stressful. Scalping can be stressful if you don't know how to control yourself, because it will always make you to over trade. Also with day trading, the problem with day trading is that it can also be so boring and it keeps your pressure high because of how the market will be moving, making lower low, lower high, or higher high, higher low, tracing as if it's coming to your break even. Even sometimes can come to your break even and also kicks you out. All those are the type of stress that comes with day trading. If you're day trading, it is advisable that do not be on the screen. Make your trade and go do other things, scalping as well. That's why for me, after taking trade, I just go away to avoid those kind of things, but I make sure that I leave my trade on break even. Last week I had a very serious trade that I made it to run for 2 days, and yet I was scalping. Unfortunately, I didn't grab a very serious profit, but I didn't also go into loss, but I ended up with a small profit because the market did not seriously go bullish last week. Other days when the market goes bullish seriously, I could make serious profit because of that simple strategy that I've just explained to you. Let us see the analysis that I had on GBP USD last week and also how the market went. On GBP USD, actually what happened, this is still on low time frame, 1 minute. Yeah, let us do some top down analysis here. Let us start from 4 hours. Yeah, from 4 hours we can actually see what is happening. So here in 4 hours, we first start by identifying the direction of the market. We can see that the market is going bullish, okay, by putting on that trend line there. The market went bullish just right here on this trend line, yeah, but then it started to range, okay, in this level, yeah, started to range in this level there. So but for me, I don't trade on 4 hours. 4 hours just shows me the direction of the market. We go to a clearer time frame and we identify some potential structures, yeah. So in 1 hour after there, you can then see that the other range was actually big, yeah. It was much serious, but forming several structures, making a lower high, lower low, lower high, and then lower low here. But then it also made lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. Yeah, it's kind of like going downtrend. That one in 1 hour, but in the other 4 hours we saw that this area here, it was ranging, but then this is the area where the price was going bullish, but then where the price was going bearish, it is indicated here. As you can see, the entire area, yeah, in 4 hours it was ranging. But then if you go on lower time frame, you'll see that in that ranging areas there's still more structures, yeah, that the market has made on 15 minutes. In this part here, the price was going bullish, but then I didn't trade that area. I was supposed to take my entry from this zone and I was very ready. So what I did like that, because I was expecting that the price would come, okay, in that zone and then bounces back, okay. But unfortunately the price came and then broke through this zone here. It just sold instead of buying. So but I didn't take that entry and I marked my level up, knowing that at some point the price will surely come back up here, yeah. So it broke and came, but then when it came up to this level, I just chilled and I was analyzing more, yeah. So the price did its things. I marked this zone knowing that the price will come and then break it here, okay. It will come and break it somewhere here, and then on breaking, making the retest, that is where I will take my entry. That was my analysis. So and indeed the price came, broke that that point that I marked, and then I drew my trend line here, yeah, simple trend line, making actually 2 touches, yeah, yeah. And then when the price broke it above, I took my entry, and then on taking my entry, I went to work. On going to work, I even forgot that I took the entry, but unfortunately I was not around. It played for several days. After 2 days I had to close it, but then when I closed it, the trade again went on my favor. So this is now what happened. You see, it reached a moment here, the price started ranging, okay. When the price came at this level, it didn't stop automatically because my take profit was not set. It just came this side and started ranging. As you can see, it ranged, and it was day and night, and then somewhere here I remember I closed it, and here this is where I started doing my what, my analysis, because I wanted to take a second trade after closing the other one, but then the price moved very fast and left me behind. So I had to let it go because I know that the price will actually, the market will give me more opportunity. But I'd already closed the other trade. Yeah, until now I have not taken any trade because this setup was for Friday. If I did not close that trade, I would be really on serious profit, but I just had to close it because it was running for many days. So you can see all the way from here up to here. I don't know how many pips that could be. Where's my pip measurement thing? I cannot see it on the phone, but I wanted to measure and see how many pips that would have been. Let me see if I can get it. I may not get it now, but that's a lot of pips. So traders, in case you have liked, remember to subscribe, like and share, and then I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Bye.